Hello friends, I am Dr. Anupama Goel. I am working as an assistant professor in Biani College of Science and Management, Kalwar, and I welcome you all on behalf of Group KPO. Well friends, today's topic is shoot apical meristrum. Well, first of all, I explain you a meristrum is a localized region of the cells in which the cells divide actively or the cells are potential to divide in response to certain external stimuli. Now I take the theories of the shoot apical meristrum which are very well clear from the diagrams. Now I move towards the apical cell theory. Well friends, it was proposed by Nageli. According to Nageli, a apical cell is the structure and functional unit of all the apical meristrum and it controls the overall process of growth. This apical cell is found in algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, and in pteridophytes this apical cell is of four-sided and having three corners. Now I move towards the next theory proposed by Hanstein, that is a histogen theory. This theory consists of three meristematic zones in the shoot apical meristrum. As you well see in the diagram, the three layers are dermatozin, peribulum, and plerome. Dermatozin gives rise to the epidermis, peribulum gives rise to the cortex, and plerome gives rise to the vascular cylinder and pith. Now I move towards the next theory, that is a corpus and tunica theory. This theory was proposed by Schmidt. According to it, the peripheral zone consisting of one or more layers of cells is called as tunica. The cells of the tunica divide only endoclinally, and the mass of cells surrounded by tunica is known as corpus, and the cells of the corpus divide in various planes. These cells of the tunica and the corpus, these are lighted and are vacuolated and take a lighter stain. Now I move towards the next theory which was proposed by Popham and Cham. According to them, there are only two histological zones in the shoot apical meristrum. They do not take into account the plane of division. These are known as the mantle and the core. Mantle includes all the outer layers in the outer region of the shoot apical meristrum, and the core includes the mass of cells covered by the mantle. Now I move towards the histogenic layer theory. This theory was proposed by Derman on the basis of his studies of cytochimeras in apple. According to Derman, there are three layers in the shoot apex, that is L1 layer, L2 layer, L3 layer. L1 layer forms the epidermis of the stem and the root, and the L2 layer, it forms the hypodermis and the cortex, and the L3 layers forms the vascular cylinder and the pith. Now as you well see in the diagram, I move towards the initial and meristemi D-attendee theory which was proposed by Bouvet. According to this theory, the peripheral and the sub-terminal regions are the real initiating zones, and there are three regions in the shoot apical meristrum. First of all is the initial, as you see in the diagram, that is the peripheral active zone, and the meristemi D-attendee and the meristemi medullare. So I sum up my lecture by coming towards the cytohistological zonation theory. As you see, there are four apical zones in the shoot apex of gymnosperms. These are well seen in the diagram. These are the central mother cell zone, apical initial zone, flank meristrum, and the rib meristrum. Well, apical initial group consists of a group of initials which are derived from the lateral and sublateral derivatives. The central mother cell zone is derived from the apical initial group, and it consists of cells which are dividing mitotically at an active rate, and these cells are taking a lighter stain. Next I move towards the rib meristrum. These are centrally situated derivatives of the mother cells, and it gives rise to the pith. and these cells also divide transversely to form the plank meristem. Now I move towards the peripheral meristem. So my dear friends, the peripheral meristem is derived from the apical initials as well as partly from the central mother cell zone. This meristem divides transversely to form the shoot. And now friends, I am moving towards the type of apices or shoot apices. Means there are three types of shoot apices: monoplex type, duplex type and multiplex type. Monoplex type continuing meristematic residue is confined only to a superficial layer and only the divisions take place in one plane. While in duplex type of shoot apices, both the anticlinal divisions as well as the periclinal divisions occur in the superficial layer, while in multiplex type, continuing meristematic residue is parallel sided. It lies in the superficial layer as well as in the innermost layer. The superficial layer undergoes only anticlinal division, whereas the innermost layer undergo both the divisions and contribute to the bulk growth of the plant. Well, for more details, log on to my website www.groupkpo.com. Thank you.